Spocket versus Dropship.io, which is better for dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll compare two platforms for dropshipping. They have some key differences you need to know. So we'll take a look at their pros, cons, prices, features, unique features, and in the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to get the best possible conditions, and you'll decide which platform is more suitable as for you. You can find all the links for these platforms in the description. I strongly recommend you to use them because in this case you'll be able to get best conditions possible for Spocket, for Dropship.io. So let's get started from the pros and cons. On Spocket, we can definitely say that they have large selection of products from US and European suppliers. Fast shipping times like 7 to 10 business days usually. Easy to use platform. It was really easy to start with as for me. And also they have like full-time customer support, which is pretty cool. But if you're going to talk about the cons, they have some products that may be more expensive than other platforms. They have limited customization options, and I think that it's pros. They have like free trial. You can get it at the link in the description. So basically they have like 4 plans for monthly subscription and 3 plans for early subscription, which is normal. And of course you can save money if you are going to use it for a long time. I strongly recommend you to use like early subscription. And Dropship.io has also some pros, like wide range of products from both domestic and international suppliers. That allows us to add our custom branding and packaging. They integrate with multiple e-commerce platforms and offers a white label solution. But cons, shipping times can be slower than other platforms. Some features may be more expensive than for other platforms. And they have like 3 paid plans. You need to check all the features by yourself to decide which one is the most suitable as for you. Let's take a look at their features. Of course, they have like common features. Both platforms offer a wide range of products from a variety of suppliers. Both platforms offer you easy to use interfaces. Both platforms provide customer support, but it's more important to find the unique one. So Spocket offers fast shipping times, while Dropship.io offers more customization options. Spocket has a free plan available, while Dropshipping.io does not. And Dropship.io offers a white label solution, while Spocket does not. So which platform is right for you? If you're looking for a platform with fast shipping times and wide range of products, then Spocket is a good option. If you're looking for a platform with more customization options and the white label solution, then Dropship.io is a good option. Overall, both Spocket and Dropship.io are good dropshipping platforms with their own unique strengths and weaknesses. The best platform for you will depend on your specific needs. So if you want to get best conditions possible to interact with these platforms, I strongly recommend you to use my links in the description. You'll find like 3 trial options and some other features. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.